Okay, Sydney and I are going to do the hallway now. This is one reason why we're getting rid of carpet. It's in our dining room. You can't tell, but there's stains all over the floor. Even though we clean the food up, clean the stains, what happens, Sydney?
They stay.
Yes, it's just the worst idea ever to have carpet where you eat.
There was a kitty somewhere around here. Oh, there he is. And there. Can you say hi? I guess if it was just adults in the house, it wouldn't be so bad, but with kids.
Are you saying kids make more messes?
I guess, yeah.
Maybe. Okay, we're going to get working on this carpet. We're going to go all the way down the hallway.
I found a sprinkle.
Oh, yay. Sydney found a sprinkle.
On the floor.
Little Valentine's Day sprinkle.
Yeah, we made Valentine's Day cookies. Good to go. Oh,
Okay.
I found another.
Let's get started. I'm going to cut the carpet and let's see if we can rip it up that way.
I never knew how tough carpet was.
I know, it is pretty tough.
Maybe I can like hold it down. Just tear it.
Okay, try that. Whew. It is so satisfying to rip this up.
Oh my goodness, it is.
I love it.
Look at that! Something flew and hit me.
Oh, hey, let's roll it up as we go. That way.
Okay.
Okay, so
Look how easy it is to rip out carpet.
now we can roll this. Wait, hold on. Get it tucked under. Okay. To cut it. Okay, hold on. Let's finish cutting this.
Yay! We're getting out the nasty dining room
carpet.
Our dining room has carpet. Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
You should get on your big section. Hi.
Taking a break from doing the floor, showing you what I got in the oven. Some bread.
We're riding a dragon. It's baby Twinklet. It's a baby. It's a baby. You know, Twinklet actually has some sons, so it's one of his. You know, in the end. Yeah.
How's it going, Sydney?
We're riding a dragon.
Oh, okay.
Good. It's baby.
Once you get that, then we can take this down to the basement.
Look, we're riding. More like baby night furry.
Yeah.
We're carrying
Probably carry this on my own.
Come on, Alice. Let's try to find a different one to ride. This one. No, it's not in the shape. Let's go watch the movie. I wish we had some. You wish you had a dragon. Yeah. What are you doing, Sydney? What? Did Mommy said you could? Yeah, we're ripping out the whole death. Video to watch. 60 reasons. Yeah. 60 reasons. Oh, good point.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the kid.
Okay, we're almost to the, well, we're at the end of the hallway. Sydney's just getting the carpet right by the bedroom door. We did that, and we've already done this.
Wow, our house is more.
We already purple.
Yeah.
We have a purple floor.
It feels icky. That's why we have to wear shoes so we will be protected from the nail strips and other things that could hurt us.
Yeah.
And we're watching a movie,
Yep.
so we stay out of the way. Let's fly a dragon.
Oh, okay.
It's a movie. It's How to Train Your Dragon movie. That stuff is disgusting.
Now that we got all the carpet out, we're working on the purple, I don't know, underlayment. I'm not sure what to call that. Sydney's pulling all that up, and then we'll work on getting the staples out and the nail strips that go along the wall.
It's so satisfying to just rip it.
I know it is fun to tear something apart.
Yeah. This is the kind of work that I enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fun.
This. Why did not steal my carpet? I don't want my room to get ruined.
Somebody found a new little sleeping spot. Panther, what are you doing?
Night Fury.
Hey, and its natural habitat. Hey, Black Panther in its natural habitat.
Nice.
I think it's disgusting.
I think it's disgusting too, but he actually seems to like it.
He doesn't like it when you.
Sydney, come on. Our kitty just stepped on a nail strip, so we're removing them as fast as we can.
Yep.
Now we're going to take the bread out.
Yummy. Hello, bread.
Over here.
You're taking the bread out?
Yep, I put foil on the top so that it doesn't get overly browned, because I find after like 20 minutes it gets too brown, so I put foil on it for the last 10 minutes. And that makes it where the bread is cooked, but the top is not burnt. There's 2 loaves of homemade bread.
And
Yummy.
Show us your gloves. Got them.
And then I'm going to rub butter on them and then we'll eat them.
Yeah. And they taste delicious.
Yes.
Back to the reel.
Usually with house projects, it really does seem like half the thing is like preparing
Yeah.
and getting rid of the old. Putting in the new is the fun part.
Honestly, in my opinion, ripping the flooring out has been the fun part.
Yeah, that's true too. It is fun. Okay, you can say something.
I can smell the bread right now. Smells really good.
There's nothing better than the smell of homemade bread right out of the oven.
Yeah.
Is it making your stomach grumble?
Yes.
We're getting the staples out. There's one right here,
And the stinking nail
right
strips.
there, and the nail strips.
They hurt poor Panther's paw.
Yeah, our kitty stepped on them, so we thought we'd get them out right away.
Yeah.
There's also, you can't really see, there's these little teeny, oh, I don't know if you can see that right there. Those are harder to get out. They're not like the staples. You can use this and get these out. Oh, that works really well.
The best tool in my for these let me find one. Like this. Stick it in there.
Oh yeah, that works
It like
really well.
pops right out.
Oh, those are the staples. I'm talking about these things.
Oh.
I
Yeah,
think we're gonna
these.
have to use like, I think they're called needle nose pliers, like the really skinny. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are a lot. Here, let's show the camera.
They're much
They're a
longer,
lot longer.
compared to these.
Yeah, so these
Those.
ones are harder to get out,
Yeah, but
but they're not
Still,
that hard.
these
Hard
were
enough to deter us.
yes.
Huh?
These are pretty well.
You're a good little handyman.
So I just want to give you a quick update. We're halfway through this room and we're going down the hallway right now. I've got the first 2 rows of this hallway all the way down to the end here. The kitchen is going to be the last thing that we do. We're going to take out this old floor, and there's another floor underneath that. We're going to take care of that. But here it is, first 2 rows down the hallway. We've got to put that threshold in, and we're working this way. We're going to get the hallway done today. And there's Alice. Hey, Alice.
Hi.
And we've got to clear this out. Then we're going to do that. And then we're going to go in here and finish off the living room.
And I'm making a wall out of spacers.
Sydney's working so hard to help me.
I'm cold. And I'm done watching games and playing them.
Okay, so I thought I'd show you real quick just how I put these boards in. And I'm actually doing these backwards, just because of the way it worked out. But I get it in, put it in this groove, get it sort of close to this other end right here, lift it up, and it kind of just locks in. And then on this end over here, I take a piece of scrap that will fit into here, like that. And put another piece of scrap here, so when I put this bar down it doesn't scratch this. And then I just hold this in place and tap it in this end right here. And then I'm just kind of feeling for once it's getting close. And then once it's in, I just check it, and then we move on to the next piece. Okay, the hallway planks are in. I've got this one threshold here for the bathroom, and the next thing I'm going to do is put in the threshold for this room, and I'm going to put one in for this room. And then we've got to do this part. Okay, so now I'm going to do this threshold, and the first thing we're going to do is screw down this track, and then we're going to pop in the threshold. Here we go. Okay, here's our progress for today. We got the hall all the way done. We still don't have the quarter round on yet, but we're going to do that at the very end. We've got the transition pieces in, or the threshold pieces in, and it goes all the way down here to a closet and a bedroom. And that's it. We think it looks pretty nice. We'll see you next time when we tackle all of this stuff.